Hello everyone. My topic is antibiotics in oral and maxillofacial surgery. Antibiotics are the chemical substance which either kill or inhibit the growth of microorganisms. Antibiotic used for three reasons in dentistry: to treat infection of oral cavity, preoperative prophylaxis, prevent post-operative infection, and improve healing at operative site. Classification of antibiotics on the basis of chemical structures, effect, bacteriostatic, bactericidal, on the basis of action against the type of organism, antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, antiprotozoal, antihelminthic, uh, on the basis of spectrum of activity, narrow spectrum, broad spectrum, on the basis of origin, from fungi, from bacteria, mechanism of action. Things to be considered before administration of antibiotic: etiology of the underlying disease, culture sensitivity, efficiency, toxicity, age of patient, pregnancy, drug resistance. Using large dose in the beginning of treatment causes growth inhibition. Treatment continued for long period reduces the viable organism. Combination therapy additive effect reduces the resistant strain. Drug allergy, cost, dosage. Combination therapy indicated in severe life-threatening infection. Example: Pseudomonas, Enterococcal, Group D streptococci. Advantages of combination therapy: additive synergistic effect, uh, reduces adverse effect of individual drug, reduces development of drug resistance, widens the spectrum of activity of the drugs. Disadvantages of combination therapy: increase cost, increase risk of adverse effect of both drugs, increase the risk of superinfection by resistant organism, alteration of normal flora. Factors involved in therapeutic effectiveness: incision and drainage of abscesses, age and extent of infection. In chronic and well established abscess, higher concentration of antibiotic required. Bacterial, bactericidal, or versus bacteriostatic antibiotic, antibiotic spectrum, route of administration and dosage. Dosage regimen, distribution of antibiotic in the body, metabolism and excretion of antibiotics. Dentist should have a knowledge of patient medical history in case of renal insufficiency to avoid drug that is excreted by kidney or reduces the in dosage. Patient factor in pregnancy: streptomycin, tetracycline, sulfonamide and chloramphenicol. Etiological agents of orodental infection. Orodental infections: gram positive aerobes causes cellulitis, gram negative aerobes causes abscess. Type of microorganism present in orodental infection include bacteroids, alpha hemolytic streptococci, peptococci, fusobacterium, eubacterium, unspecified streptococci, actinomyces, veillonella, beta hemolytic streptococci, staphylococcus aureus, propion bacterium. Ideal properties of antibiotic: should be bactericidal, should not induce bacterial resistance, should be absorbed well orally, should be acidic, stable, uniformly distribution into the bone and the soft tissue. It should achieve tissue concentration above MCL, minimum lethal concentration, reasonable half-life, no toxicity, should not exhibit side effect, should be readily excreted. Aim of antibiotic therapy: to cure the following clinical situation: infections where treatment through surgical procedure alone is not satisfactory, treatment of infection involving inaccessible areas like parapharyngeal spaces, treatment of osteomyelitis and cervicofacial actinomycosis which are deep seated. Indications of antibiotic therapy: in cases of previous serious infections like subacute bacterial endocarditis, patient with a valvular disease or replaced valves, for diabetic patients who are to undergo a major surgery, immunocompromised patients, prior to closure of orodental fistula, prior to the insertion of dental implants. Commonly used oral antibiotic: Penicillin, cephalosporin, imidazole, macrolides, tetracycline. Penicillins is the first antibiotic to be clinically used. Mechanism of action: inhibition of bacterial cell wall synthesis. Penicillin divided into two groups: naturally and semisynthetic. Dosage: average adult dosage is 6 lakh to 12 lakh units every 12 to 24 hours. Average adult dosage of penicillin is 500 milligram initially, then 250 to 500 milligram every 6 hourly. Administration: orally, intramuscularly, or intravenous. Precaution: avoid penicillin in patient with a history of allergy, patient with a history of asthma, hay fever. Patient may cross sensitivity to penicillin. Injectable penicillin may be used to neutralize penicillin, but it can cause severe allergic reaction. Adverse effect: allergic reaction, gastrointestinal disturbances. Drug interaction is with erythromycin and tetracycline. Amoxicillin is one of the most frequently used antibiotic for the treatment of dental infections. It is effective against gram-positive, gram-negative oral anaerobes. Better oral absorption and lower binding to the plasma protein yields effective concentration that are higher and last longer than does an equivalent dose of penicillin V. Dosage: 1 gram initially, then 250 to 500 milligram every 6 hourly. Indication: bacterial endocarditis prophylaxis, treatment of mixed gram positive and negative anaerobic infections, useful in treating some periodontal infection. Adverse effect: produce superinfection of gastrointestinal tract and vagina. uh, Drug interaction, oral contraceptives. Amoxicillin with clavulanic acid makes amoxicillin more effective against many bacteroids, Haemophilus, Peptostreptococcus, Staphylococcus, that have become resistant to amoxicillin by elaboration of beta lactamase enzymes. It is useful choice while awaiting culture and sensitivity tests. Cloxacin, dicloxacillin, treatment of infections caused by non-methicillin resistant penicillinase producing S or Es. Ampicillin used for against gram positive and negative organisms. Carbanicillin against pseudomonas. Cephalosporins are the group of semisynthetic antibiotics derived from fungus Cephalosporium. They are chemically related to penicillin, and the nucleus consists of beta-lactam ring fused to dihydrothiazine ring. These are divided into 4 generations in a chronological sequence of development and antibacterial spectrum. Mechanism of action: similar to penicillin, all beta-lactam antibiotic disturbs the synthesis of bacterial cell wall by interfering with the transpeptidase, which catalyzes the cross-linking process. Classification of cephalosporin: first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation. These are the examples with the dosage. Orally active cephalosporin are cefaclor, cefuroxime, cefprozil against anaerobes. First generation used to treat dentoalveolar abscess, kills aerobes that deplete oxygen and facilitates growth of anaerobes. Major problem: resistance with staphylococci. Cephalosporin may reach the therapeutic concentration in osseous tissues after administration of usual dose and are useful for bone and joint infection. Beneficial in immunocompromised patient, cannot be used in patients who have exhibited anaphylactic reaction to any penicillin derivative. Dosage: cefaclor 250 to 500 mg every 8 hours. Cefadroxil 500 mg 1 gram every 12 to 24 hours. Cephalaxin 250 to 500 mg every 6 hours. Indication: useful when broad spectrum is needed. Indication: alternative to penicillin, respiratory infection, urinary tract infection, soft tissue and skin infection, meningitis, typhoid, gonorrhea, syphilis, etc. Adverse effects: hypersensitivity, reactions like urticaria, anaphylaxis. nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, nephrotoxicity, neutropenia, thrombocytopenia with ceftazidime, bleeding disorders with cefoperazone, contraindication, allergic hypersensitivity, alcohol use, disulfiram like action, macrolides, erythromycin, clarithromycin, azithromycin, vancomycin, clindamycin, binds to the 50S ribosomal subunit, blocks the chain elongation, bactericidal or bacteriostatic depending upon the organism. Erythromycin occupies secondary position to penicillin. Used alternative to penicillin if patient is allergic to penicillin. Used to treat common orodontal infections such as pericoronitis, periapical abscesses, periodontal abscesses, cellulitis, infected cyst, purulent osteitis, infectious stomatitis, necrotizing ulcerative gingivitis. Effective against aerobic gram-positive organism, usually bacteriostatic rather than bactericidal. Resistant develop quickly. Dosage 250 mg every 6 hours. Adverse effect gastrointestinal disturbances. Clindamycin bacteriostatic again attacked against aerobic and anaerobic organisms, considered as an alternative for the treatment of orodontal infections caused by susceptible gram positive cocci, gram positive or gram negative anaerobes. Indication purulent osteitis, bone infections, infections caused by anaerobic organisms such as bacteroid species, infection that cannot be eradicated by penicillin or one of the macrolide, dentoalveolar abscesses that and chronic infection. Dosage 150 mg every 6 hours. Route intravenous. Adverse effect diarrhea, pseudomembranous colitis, drug interacting oral contraceptives, tetracycline, minocycline, doxycycline, broad spectrum bacteriostatic, widespread use and often misuse resulting in appearance of resistant bacterial strain. Fifth choice antibiotic behind penicillin, macrolide, cephalosporin, clindamycin. Used in certain types of periodontal diseases, juvenile periodontitis, early onset periodontitis. Tetracycline and doxycycline enhances repair and tissue regeneration of periodontium and prevention of recurrent periodontitis. Should not used as a penicillin substitute for prophylaxis against bacterial endocarditis. Dosage tetracycline 500 mg every 6 hours, doxycycline initially 100 mg every 24 hours or 550 mg every 12 hours. Drug interaction, antacids, iron, oral anticoagulant, oral contraceptives, penicillin, metronidazole. Active against obligate anaerobic bacteria, highly effective against bacteroids, Prevotella, Porphyromonas, Eubacterium, Fusobacterium, Veillonella, Campylobacter, Capnocytophaga, Clostridium treponema, Peptostreptococcus, used to treat anog, lack of effectiveness against aerobic and facultative bacteria, indicated for B. fragilis infections that cannot occur following mandibular fractures, indicated in HIV periodontitis. Dosage 500 mg every 6 hours. Drug interaction alcohol, cimetidine, phenobarbital or phenytoin, warfarin sodium. These are the trade names of the following drugs. Thank you.